Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Promoted Sandra. Here on my YouTube channel, I do everything related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and skincare. Okay guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made my birthday dress. This video is not a tutorial video on how to cut and sew. This is a behind the scene video on how I made this beautiful, elegant, and gorgeous dress for myself. So this is what I made for myself April 14th. This was my birthday dress. Are you getting it? So I believe you are going to be learning a lot of things here in this video. That's why I decided to share it. Just stick through. You're going to be learning something amazing, because in the end I'm still going to be explaining some things to you guys that you need to know. But if you want me to make a tutorial video on how to cut this pattern of breast tube, let me know. I will be making a details video for you. But if you already know how to do this, that's fine. This is the bead that are attached to the dress at the dark side of the dress and at the upper part of the dress, and this is the mirror. Guys, at first when I purchased this mirror, it was not as sparkling as this. I was thinking maybe it was dull. Maybe once I get home I will clean it, but immediately before I ever got home I discovered it was being covered by something to protect the screen, like a little nylon or something to protect the distance. So this bead is so beautiful. And now guys, this is the front part of the dress. This is why I said you should follow me up. You're going to be gaining something. This is the breast tube, which is the frontal part of the dress, and the first piece you're seeing there is the center front, while this one is the side front. So if you already know how to cut a breast tube pattern, you already know how to cut a breast tube, so you understand this better. But if you don't know how to cut this type of breast tube, let me know at the comment section. I'm going to be making a video, a detailed video on how to cut it. So what I did here in this dress is that I actually made -1 at this front. This cleavage you're seeing on this dress, I did -1, and I did -1/2, sorry, -1/2, to give me 1 in total. But if you don't know how to do that, if you don't understand that part, just watch me as I minus, and I'm just going to use my ruler to mark it down to where I want it to end. But if you want yours to be open to the end, that's fine. If you want yours to be far exposed, that's fine. You can do -1, -2, depend on you what you want. But so this is a behind the scene. So guys, you're going to be sewing alongside with me, and you're going to be gaining something nice. My birthday was April 14th. I'm just going to keep this aside. Then the next part, pattern paper here, is the skirt part of the dress. You can see it. If you don't know how to draft a skirt, let me know. I'm going to be doing a video. This is just like the down part of the dress, which is the skirt part. What I did is that I folded the zipper allowance, the zipper part of it inside. I'm trying to use one store to kindle two bed. That's why I actually folded this part inside. This part that I folded is the zipper allowance. Are you getting it? So once I'm done placing them pattern paper on my fabric, once I'm done cutting it out, I will just open it, then use it to cut the back. I've cut out all my fabric. I placed the pattern paper to cut out the front part of my dress, the back part, the down part, up part, everything. So what I'm doing now is I'm just joining it with the lining. This is the first step. I've sewed everything together and I've joined it as well. I've joined the hands. So now I'm not going to be showing where I tack the down beads, because I omitted that, I didn't know. But I'm definitely going to be showing you guys how I tack the hand bead, the up bead, and I'm also going to be showing you how I gummed the mirror to the dress. It's a cloth mirror, they call it cloth mirror. So I'm going to be showing you how I gummed it to the dress. And that cloth mirror, you can as well tack it, but for me I decided to gum it. I did not tack it, so just watch out as I. So what I did is I sewed the bead and I tack it to the dress. The same thing, I did it from the hand, I did it for the hand, I did it for every part. So right now I'm going to tack the hand, so you see me how I tack the hand, since you did not see the down. So I believe you guys will see how I tack the hand. Currently I'm tacking the hand, so enjoy the process.
I want to put the game for my nail polish. I want to come and walk. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Characteristics of limited. It's so slow. Jesus, slow. This one will go. One though. This is it. This is what they call American Star.
This is Roma.
Oh.
Yeah, introduce yourself. Yeah, in front of camera.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. My name is Favor.
Loma.
Loma.
I had to leave to find my way. Got up in a day. I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed. But I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave.
This is the second look of the dress.
And the next thing I'm going to be doing is to insert the mirror. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Your girl promoted Sandra is so creative. So guys, this morning I'm about to put the stone. That's the mirror. So good morning guys. Good morning. Okay. Today is what? Today is Tuesday. So today I'm going to be rounding up with my gown, which this is a bead gown. I'm going to be inserting the stone. Sorry, I said the stone. I'm going to be inserting the mirror. So I'm going to be using my floor. My ground is actually clean. My ground is clean, so my floor is clean. Is it my ground or my floor is clean? So I'm going to be using this gum, this Big Sisters and gum. I actually wanted to report the biggest one. I actually requested for the biggest one, but they were not having it. I decided to go for this size. I bought two for the gum. So I just hope it will work. Before I continue, I'll be putting this bead. I have one half bead like this that I'll be putting here there, and this is it. I'll be using gum. I don't want to sew it. I will just use to cover the. I'll be using gum.
Things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. If you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
I'll finish this. I just want this side to try first. One thing about this is that even if you don't have gum, you can use a nail thread and thread it, but I don't like it. I think it will look kind of rough. It has hole and the back is blue. So for if you're interested in using the booster, I think you can also use it. But who wants to?
I had to leave to find my way. Got up in a day. I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed. But I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change. had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream. I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed. But I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't